RSPCA in Yaguna, Sydney. Mark is over there currently foaming the product down now as we speak. These are the categories. One of the major concerns in these areas is the cat urine. Mark is applying the foam at $160.
You know the good thing about the foam with the cages though, is that the foamer with the cage, like the actual cage, so it catches it. So you can go like that, even though it looks like it's going straight through, it's better than just a normal glass.
Well, the foam allows the product to be able to sit on the cages itself to break down any contamination that's on them. As you see, he's just applied it to the cat housing with that blue box. Okay, so the cage at the end has finally been cleaned with the Forte Pro, and according to Better Veterinary Services, that there is no smell here whatsoever, and all the surfaces have been cleaned, disinfected, and all odour has been eliminated.